In this tutorial, I'm going to spend a couple of minutes talking about the translate function in Microsoft Excel, which is a great function that allows you to quickly and easily translate text from one language to another. So here's an example where we have some air quality data. And let's just say we wanted to translate the names of the titles to Spanish because we're sending this data to some coworkers that are in Mexico, for example. To do this quickly and easily, we can do equals translate, open parentheses, and the first argument is the text. So what text would translate? We'll just translate this text right here. Comma source language. So what language is the text in right now? Well, it is in English. Now, there's a lot of different languages, as you can see, but fortunately, they're all in alphabetical. And if you're doing this a lot, then you can quickly and easily just type in the code, or you can filter through the list to find English. Tab to filter have en. Now, as you can see, too, it's an abbreviation that represents the language and not the full name of the language itself. Now we're going to go down the list to find Spanish. Go to Spanish, yes, and then close parentheses. It's going to give it a second to translate. As you can see, now it's in Spanish. And we can go to the right, and we can just copy paste this to the right. It'll take a second to think, but as you can see, it is now in Spanish. You might have to adjust the column widths, Alt-H-O-I, to just kind of get it to make a bit more sense and center the text. But now, as you can see, we have the column titles in English and in Spanish by using the translate function. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.